Hot Tips Nail Box Tribe. So I thought I'd come to you today with just some fun nails for spring, summer that are super easy that anybody can do. So I'm using this super pretty, I love yellow for spring and summer. This is going to be a next month's subscription box. And I'm going over top of that with Dream Baby. That's one of the newest Glitter Baby fantasy acrylics that we've released. And I like to overlap my acrylics so that they blend together more. There's no harsh lines, just gently overlapping it. It's super simple. Anybody can do this. When you're playing with chunky glitter acrylics like the ones that we make, take your time, move them around, play with them. And then I'm just brushing over some really pretty blue over top. I like to bring my solids over top of my glitter acrylics. I just like the way it looks better when it's kind of overlapping. Some people like to bring their glitter acrylics over top of their solids. It's totally your call. FYI, my room is freezing cold today. My monomer is cold and my acrylic is runny. So the next color I'm using is Unicorn Baby. I love this glitter acrylic so much. All of our glitter acrylics are limited edition, so you really do need to get your hands on them while they're here. This one is one of our best sellers. We probably sell 3 or 4 of these a day. Everybody loves these. And then I'm using this super pretty bright pink. As of right now, we don't have any solids, but by the time you watch this video, our spring collection will probably be up. It should be here for April 1st. 6 beautiful spring and summer colors, solids that you guys are going to love. They're only going to be $11.50 each or $50 for the whole collection, which is crazy. So the next nail that I'm doing, I'm going to do Easter Baby. But first, I'm just going to put a little bit of really pretty light pink on the tip of my nail. I'm just showing you guys super simple designs that you can do with acrylic nails that your clients will love, that are fast. If I slowed this down, like this whole set only took me, I think, 13 minutes to do. It was super fast. You know, it's really easy. This is really for any level. Anybody can do this kind of stuff. And like your clients will love this. So yeah, this is just Easter Baby. And all I'm doing is just playing with her, moving the little bits around, you know, because these are chunkier glitter acrylics. This is so cute. They're those little crosses, heart, holographic, opalescent glitter, all kinds of, this mix is really pretty for Easter. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Once again, this is also limited edition. And so this way, when I'm doing this nail, I'm just kind of putting it in the center and making it, you know, kind of like a cool angled design. It looks so pretty, right? Obviously, this wouldn't be a set together because the nails aren't all matching or going together with like a theme. I wanted to do each nail differently on purpose so that you guys could see how to use them. So this last color is Trixie Baby. She's one of our newest new glitter acrylics. She's full of cherry blossoms, different colored cherry blossoms, stars, hearts, glitters. She's so pretty. And I decided to kind of go over this one with like a milk bath. This is a milky white. And it's not like super, super milky white like some of the brands. It's kind of opaque. I can't really describe it. It's not really a solid white. It's supposed to be a solid white. I'm not going to tell you what brand it is, but as you can see here, it is definitely not a solid white. And it's from one of the best brands on the market. But we're not here to promote anyone else's acrylics. Look at how cute. Oh my God, I love this. Okay, so now I'm just encapsulating everything. And like when you're encapsulating glitter acrylics, it's not going to be smooth. It's going to be kind of chunky. So what I like to do is brush back with your brush towards your cuticle as well. So that way you can get all up in and underneath like that chunky glitter acrylic, if that makes sense. And don't worry about using like the 3-bead method when you're trying to go over top of chunky acrylics like this. Just fill it in however you need to do to make it look nice and smooth and every nail cohesive. Don't put pressure on yourself because I don't even do that. Once again, yeah, just encapsulating everything. And yeah, like I said, my room's freezing cold. It's cold where we are. And my monomer's so runny my acrylic's so runny when my monomer's cold like this. I used to actually put it in a baby bottle warmer to warm it up. And that would really help. But then I was like, that's probably emitting like fumes that aren't good for you to be breathing in. So we're going to stop doing that. So yeah, just encapsulating everything. Then I'm going to go ahead and e-file everything. I didn't record that because that's no fun. So I'm going to come back now. I want to talk to you guys about filing. I see so many people making this mistake, going up underneath the nail way too much and leaving like this indent up under the nail. Stop doing that. Just gently file in the corners. And then when you're filing the sides of the nails, hold your file flat, not underneath, not over top. Flat, straight against the nail. That's how you get that nice, straight, sharp edge. Stop angling your files down underneath their nail or over top of the nail. You're not going to get that nice, insta-body, really square, hard edge that everybody loves. It just makes the nail look so much nicer. FYI, the way that I was filing my nails so that I could be on camera was like super awkward. Not to mention, I have the shortest sausage fingers ever. And when I'm filing my nails when they're extra long like this, oh, that's another thing. These are the 3XL non-C-curve coffin tips. So these are on the way. They'll be on the website within the next week or two. So look out for those as well. Right now we have the extra long non-C-curve coffin and square tips. And we're adding the 3XL, which are these ones, non-C-curve coffin tips and square tips. It's really important. Like C-curve tips, I mean, to each their own. Obviously, when you're doing forms, it's always going to be a C-curve that's different. But what I've noticed is when I'm using C-curve tips on clients, their natural nail beds lift because it causes it puts pressure on the nails, and they're a pain in the butt to file. They're just a nightmare. So not my favorite kind of tips. Non-C-curve is what I prefer. But I mean, like I said, to each their own. So now I'm just buffing. Okay, now is the fun part. So, oh yes, if you haven't gotten your hands on our no wipe crystal clear top coat and our matte top coat, you guys, these are game changers. Look at this. One coat is all you need on your nails. Yeah, I forgot to spray my nails with alcohol to get the bits of dust off. I mean, this top coat is amazing. Look, you do not see me dip into the bottle more than one time on an extra long 3XL long nail. Look at how thick the matte is. Like most matte top coats are runny and messy. This is thick. It is the best matte top coat ever. We also always sell out of our top coats and matte top coats, so super, super quick. So they are in stock now, so get them while you can. Sorry, I'm kind of out of frame here. I was trying to not get my cuticle and stay in frame and do all this at the same time, so I apologize. But yeah, this matte top coat is amazing. It is, and if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know how much I love a matte nail. Okay, so now the fun part. Now I'm just going to add some fun little kawaii charms, a little bit of bling. So normally I would not attach any sort of bling or any charms to the nail with gel, okay? Because you know that the gel is like after about 5 minutes, those stones are just going to be popping off with gel. But for the purpose of this video, I just use gel because it's simple and I'm not keeping these nails on anyway. And yeah, it was just a faster way to do it. Honestly, my trick, and it has been for years, and the guy who taught me how to do nails years ago, it was his trick too. Girls, I use Gorilla Glue, the clear Gorilla Glue. I am telling you, nothing beats Gorilla Glue. And it's clear, so it doesn't mess up the stones. It doesn't mess up the nail. It is just the best. You have to pry the stones off with a hammer, okay? They're not coming off. So, and you can get it anywhere. You can get it at your local, like Walmart, any sort of home hardware or Home Depot, whatever, stores like that. So yeah, now I'm just working on like one of my infamous stone clusters. So everything that I'm using today is available on the website. Everything. All the stones, all the kawaii charms, all of these glitter acrylics, everything you see is available on the website. I love playing with big stones. And if you haven't purchased our big stones yet, the quality, you guys know that Swarovski cut off everyone, right? They're not selling to the public anymore. I'm telling you right now, these stones are comparable to Swarovski. They are crazy. They're gorgeous. If you haven't tried them, you have to get your hands on some. So yeah, I just like to make just play with it. Grab a bunch of different stones, put them in a nice little cluster. I always like to have some sort of flow to it. That's why I'm kind of angling it in kind of like an S motion down the nail or, across the nail. Just so there's some sort of a little bit of a design factor to it and some flow and stuff like that. You know, and I fill in, because these are not flat stones, I always fill in the gaps with like bigger chunky ones. You'll see at the end when I do like more of a close-up once I'm finished curing everything. And then for my last nail, the little pinky nail, you know, I just wanted to add like a little butterfly stone, a little heart stone, and a couple other little AB crystals. But like I said, these are just like super easy, fun, quick nail ideas that any level can do for the summertime, spring and summertime, all year long. Really, it doesn't really matter. I mean, I know I rock these colors all year long, that your clients will love. You can do them fast. Like I said, like I think I did all of this in less than 45 minutes. So there you go. And look at how beautiful that is. Look at those colors. Like I said, everything is available on the website. All the stones, all the Kawaii Charms, all the glitter acrylics, everything I used here is available on the website. So thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.